Hi, welcome to MarielBeadsandBeyond Embroidery for Beginners. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ornament. It's really easy to make and it's beautiful. The materials I'm going to put in the description box, and when you're done with the video, what I did is I used red Sharpie to color this edge and it looks beautiful. So just remember to avoid that. I think that what we should do is to add the same color of fabric, but it turned out great. I am really happy with the result and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you would like to get glitter flake, then just send me a message and I'll go ahead and post it right away. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like my tutorials, please support me and subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up and leave me your comments, even if they're bad. I want to hear them. Thank you. Until next time. To start, we are going to open our Embrilliance software. If you come right here to this icon, you can choose the size of your hoop. I'm going to use my 4x4 and I'm going to click OK. Next, we're going to go to this icon that says Merge Design from the library. And I click that. We're going to go to the heart. And we're going to select the circle. OK. We are going to duplicate this. So we got two circles now. So we are going to come back to this icon again. And we are going to select a square now. So you should have these three shapes. The circle, we're going to grab it from these squares. You see these little squares around? You can resize them by holding them. So we are going to resize this. This circle, we are going to make it really small. So this circle, we're going to leave it as is. We're going to set it in the center. So we are going to grab this square and we are going to set it on top, right there. And I don't know if you can see my entire work because I was trying to arrange it in the computer and I can't get the full screen, so we are going to grab the circle and we are going to set it right there. To make sure I center it, you can center this, and then when you click this square, you know the square should be right there. So that's how you know that it's centered. And you can play with it to see how it looks. I think this should be a little bit smaller. For this particular design, the thread doesn't matter because I'm not going to change it. It's going to be the same color. And right now, if we go to the needle icon, we can see how this is going to sew. So what we need to do right now, and there might be another way to do it. This is like, I'm just learning, so I'm going to show you the way that I will do it. So we are going to delete this, and we are going to delete this, and we are going to save this. So we're going to go to File, Save Stitch As, and I'm going to name it circle 1 because so circle 1. Right here you can choose the format that you need. For my sewing machine I need the PES, so that's what I have. I want it on my desktop and I'm gonna click save. Right here I'm going to go back twice. I'm going to delete this circle and the small circle, and I'm going to save the square. Save as, and then I'm gonna name this a square 1. And same thing, save. Now I'm going to delete this square and I'm gonna save the circle. Okay, so I got all my parts saved, so now I'm gonna delete this. So we are going to come to this last icon. It says merge a stitch file. So we're gonna click on that one. I'm gonna go to my desktop and I'm going to select circle 1. I'm going to select the square 1 and the small circle 1. And we are going to click this folder right here that says import. So we got all our figures right here. So we are going to put this one down a little bit so we can see what we're doing. At this point you can make it smaller, bigger. So we are going to set the parts the way we want to. So one then center, right there. And we want our little circle right here. The other thing we're going to do, if you come to the right here, this is what we want. You want to have the circles first and then the square last. So right now, what we are going to do, you see these scissors right here? It says remove hidden stitches. So we're gonna click that and see what happens. It removes all the stitches right here and right here. And we need that because otherwise it's going to be too bumpy right here. So we want that, and I'm gonna do it twice. Okay? So now we can save our project. So we're gonna save by going File, Save Stitch File, and I'm gonna name it my ornament. And we're gonna save it in the desktop. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to put it in a USB and put it in our sewing machine. And I'll be right back to show you the next step.